Hello, I'm J.W. Peters with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today we're going to talk about the certifications that we carry. Now, we get questions all the time about, hey, are you certified to install this brand, or are you certified to install that brand? But the truth is, after being in business almost 5 years and installing over 1,500 systems all over the state, we're certified in almost anything that you can think of. But just to list a few, when it comes to our racking, we're certified to install Iron Ridge and Unirac, both ground mount systems and roof mount systems. When it comes to inverters, we install and are certified on Enphase, SolarEdge, Solarc, and Schneider. When it comes to solar panels, that's almost too numerous to list, but just to give you a few, we're certified and we install SealFab panels, Q-Cell panels, Tesla panels, LG panels, as well as Solaria and Panasonic, just to name a few. Now, when it comes to generators, we're certified to sell, install, and service both Kohler and Generac systems. And with the batteries, we're certified with Tesla, Enphase, with Simplify, as well as the power cells by Generac. But the certification that we care about the most, and the one that we really want to be able to share with you, is our NEBCEP certification, and that's the North American Board of Energy Practitioners. Okay, and that's kind of the gold star. That's the highest standard that you can get when it comes to certifications in the solar industry. And so we have that certification to be able to design, sell, and install your systems. So if you have any questions at all about solar or about Solar Power of Oklahoma, please go to our website or our YouTube page to learn more.